I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Ooh, oh. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be.
Hey guys, these are all the products that we're using today for the perfect perm rod curl set. Now with the prep, we're going to go ahead and wash our hair with a sulfate-free shampoo. I use Curls Line Blueberry Bliss, the reparative hair wash. It leaves your hair smelling so good. It is amazing. Next up is the Blueberry Bliss reparative hair mask. I do leave this on my hair for about 15 minutes before even washing it out in the shower. It leaves my hair so soft, and again, smells just like blueberries. Now, right after this, we're also going to put in the leave-in conditioner from the same hairline from Curls, the Blueberry Bliss. We use that just as a part of our cream for our LCO method. After the cream, we're going to go ahead and just apply a couple of oils. I do like to use Spectrum's Virgin Coconut Oil. And then paired with this, I do like to use the Simply Balanced Organic Olive Oil as well. And then after we're done with that, we're going to use another cream by Blueberry Bliss, the Twist and Shout cream. I swear by this. And then on top of that, after we're done twisting our hair, we're going to use some cold wave wands. And of course, wide tooth combs, rat combs, and also your dimming brush. So I already started halfway through the process of doing my hair. Some of it is already rolled up and everything, but let me just show you what I did. So after I moisturized and oiled my hair, I took that one little piece, did some fringe detangling, did a little bit of playing around with it, made sure that it was well saturated. Then I took my combs and I did section it off. So after detangling and probably combing through my wide tooth comb, I went ahead and used my dimming brush just to make sure that everything was detangled and everything was nice and smooth and easy for me to get through. So after that, I went ahead and 2-strand twisted. Just in case you missed it, I'm going to show you how I detangle my hair one more time, either using a wide tooth comb or a dimming brush. I'm going to detangle from ends to root. Remember, ends to root, because we want to make sure we have as little as breakage as possible, because we don't have time for that. After detangling and making sure everything is straight, we're going to go ahead and start 2-strand twisting that piece. So now here's the moment that we've all been waiting for. We're going to go ahead and take one of our cold wave rollers, and we're going to go ahead and wrap the hair over top and then roll around. Again, over top and roll around. This is how I get my big old curls at the end of the night. Now that we're done with the basics, I'm just going to speed everything up. Now that everything is rolled up and two-strand twisted, we're going to go ahead and take our little bonnet and just put it around our rollers, and we're going to go ahead and sleep for the night. This is still damp, so I do just go ahead and just sleep with my bonnet on and let my hair dry overnight. So see you later. Bye. Okay guys, now here's the best part. We're almost done. So what you're going to start doing is putting oil on your fingertips, either olive oil or coconut oil, jojoba oil, whatever oil you choose, and just start untwisting your hair. Alright guys, now that you're done with your hair, just go ahead and check out yourself a little bit in the mirror. Alright, make sure you like everything. Then go ahead and go in with the pick comb or your wide tooth comb, and start just make sure you have that volume that you want. Now I like my hair, even though it's a little short on the short end right now, I like my hair to be big and poofy. So I go in, grab section by section, and just start picking at it until I am satisfied with the volume. Alright guys, I can't thank y'all enough for tuning in today to watch this hair tutorial. Just remember to stay blessed.
But I think that I'm